With this wrist strap, you can do this. What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is a DIY day and I'll show you how you can actually carry your 2 to 3 kilos or 4 kilos weight of camera with you without ever having to use your neck strap, which will actually make you look like a noob, which will actually make you look like as if you're just a travel photographer. But if you want to travel, if you want to carry this camera, this heavyweight camera around you, there is another logical and more practical way you can actually use, and that is ta-da! And that is this wrist strap made from your very own neck strap. And I'll show you in the video how you can actually do it all by yourself, which I have done it myself as well. And I'll show you how durable this neck strap is. So I'll simply show you how you can actually make this strap, your neck strap into your wrist strap. Since I've already done it, so you can see the stitching here, you can see the stitching. You'll never get this kind of a Canon wrist strap ever, so it is already tied to your camera. So you actually know that I actually don't make videos just for uploading in the YouTube. I just make DIY things, and that happens to be me uploading in the YouTube. It is very simple. You have this long strap, cut them exactly how much ever it fits in your hand. Exactly, this should be your size. It should be able to come easily out and go in. So keep it like this measurement, this is the exact measurement, and fold this into this way and then cut exactly half of it. So once that is done, and you'll have to place it in, you'll have to remove this stitching, this particular stitching that is already there. Remove this, insert this part that is cut recently, insert it inside like I have done it, insert it inside, and then stitch it. You can stitch it with the tailoring machine, or you can do it all by yourself like I did it. So I did it by hand. This is by hand I have done it. So I have done it on the stitching holes. That's why it is not looking like as if I've done it using my hand. So this is how easy it is. And maybe if somebody is asking me to do it from the scratch, I can actually do it, but for that somebody has to send me their neck strap to be converted to this wrist strap. Maybe for that I'll upload another video as well. And this is the strap. Easy go. So all you have to do is put your hands in, and this is actually 2.5 kilo camera, and this can still take the weight of it. I can completely rely on this, and I can use this strap. It looks good as well, the logo here, the Canon logo here. So this is actually easy, and it won't fall off even if I keep it loose. So this is what is done. And you might ask, what about the remaining one? I've actually cut into two parts, the entire strap into two parts. What about the remaining parts that you have? Let me say this, I'm not going to waste it at all. I'm going to use this as a keychain for my bike or for my car. Let me show you that procedure as well. Since I've not shot the video for how I did it for my wrist strap, it is the same procedure that you will have to do. So zero wastage. I'm not going to waste my strap. Instead of spending so much of money, like minimum for the strap was 700, and if you go for Peak Design, a different company it is, if you go for a Peak Design, then it will cost you a bomb, 1500, 2000, 3000. So this is the best thing. This is really rigid, really difficult to break, and it will last a really long time, and I hope this will last too. Very simple. You just have to take this, fold it backwards and align it properly, and then make sure that you stitch it by your hand. Tailoring machine also is good, but then if you're doing it with your hand also is fine. If you don't have a tailoring, not everybody has it, and just do it as it is. This is how you do it. You stitch it, and then find if it is durable. And since it looks like it is very durable. So now the stitching is done. You can see the final look of this. It looks really good, and this is like a keychain. So I'm not going to waste any of the strap piece. So I'll just show you how to put the keys inside. I really personally like the way this has come out, and so any number of keys you can put, you can just remove like you remove from your camera. the strap, and then put it as many keys as possible. And this looks really good. After doing this, I'm realizing now that this has come really well. This looks nice. And this is just a test video. Let me show you how durable this is. This camera is almost around 5 kilo, I guess, 4.5 5 kilos. And with this neck strap, with this wrist strap, you can do this. Can you do with your wrist strap this? And you can probably say this is one of the safest and the most affordable, most economical way of getting a wrist strap for your camera, even for this weight. This is the heaviest one I could actually get it from my bag. 72 to 100 is the most heaviest one, and it can still bear the weight of this. All right, it is around 12:55 a.m. and I'm actually really sleepy. And this video I made it after a very long time. I know if many of you might be like confused what all things I'm doing, videos about bikes and videos about which this is the kind of video which no one asked for. But if you like this content, if it is very much useful to you, let me know. Please subscribe. My channel has been going really slow, and if you want me to go and make some of the DIY videos, please let me know in the comments down below if you have any other ideas. And for now, since I'm very sleepy, I gotta go sleep. And if you watch these videos till now, till the end, thank you for watching it. Thank you for being my subscriber. Thank you that I completed my 1000 subscribers now. If you see my first video, it is around 8 years. And thank you for all this journey. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.